go up here. This tree this morning. See it up close. Oh, there he goes.